Hey, what's up? Welcome back to more Cake. Yes, man, badass edible art. I'm Jelena, and this is how I made an easy DIY sprinkle medley for you. So I went to a couple of stores and I purchased a bunch of sprinkles. I went to Michael's, I went to Walmart, and I also had some sprinkles left over from like back in the day when I purchased sprinkles from God knows where. So the reason why I'm doing this DIY, even though it's kind of like, common sense that this is an easy way to do it, some people don't quite know what sprinkle medley is, and some people don't quite understand and how to incorporate all the colors that they want to incorporate so that way it doesn't look like a hot mess of random sprinkles together. So the first thing you want to do is the sprinkles you choose, you want to make sure all the sprinkles complement each other. So have like dark pinks, light pinks, if you're looking for that. I'm using these for a rainbow effect. So I wanted to make sure I had some really bright colors and at the same time, some really soft colors as well. But I wanted to make sure all the colors that were soft were also bright. So if I like, for example, if I had a purple, I wanted to make sure I had a dark purple. If I had a lime green, I wanted to make sure I had maybe like a tinted of a dark green and some yellows as well. So you want to make sure, like I said, all your colors complement each other. You don't have to buy expensive sprinkles. Like I found a bunch of sprinkles at Walmart since it's like springtime and Easter time. You can find a bunch of them there and they sell them for like $1.99, and you get a whole bunch of them. At Michael's, you can also find sprinkles there for $1, and they come in like cute little shapes. If they're like little crowns or like little flamingos, really cute and adorable. And you kind of, for me, I just used it for the color tone, not so much as the theme, like a flamingo. I wasn't doing a flamingo cake, but I just used the flamingo because it was pink. And you'll see that in like the cake at the end. So the sprinkles come in different shapes, different colors, different sizes, and you want to have that as well. You want them to be larger sprinkles and smaller sprinkles. You want maybe some big round balls, and then you want some smaller ones, maybe some diamond shaped ones, maybe some square shaped ones. And if you're doing your long sprinkles, like your original sprinkles, how they're long, maybe have some longer ones and some shorter ones, like some height difference and some different thicknesses. So you make sure you incorporate colors, the width, and make sure everything complements each other, and you mix all that together in a pan, and you want to give it a good mix by hand. You want to mix it. Okay, you can't just throw it all together and then go, oh, okay, great, now let me put this in a container. No, you want to mix it around to make sure that you get good complementary of colors together. Everything is kind of coinciding together and looking really nice and perfect. So yes, so make sure you're definitely doing that. And then after you do that, then you can use your sprinkles any way you want. So like I said, this was just a quick, easy DIY to teach you what a sprinkle medley is. And if you didn't know what sprinkle medley is, again, it's sprinkles, and it's just a bunch of different sprinkles, different sizes, different colors that comes together. I think this is a really cute thing to use if you're doing any type of like unicorn cake, kids cakes. Again, you don't have to use all the colors of the rainbow. You can do pink tones. You can do blue tones, green tones. You can do pink and purple tones, and then maybe throw in some gold nuggets in there. Really cute. You could always find some really cute ones on Amazon, which I love going on Amazon and looking for some maybe metallic sprinkles. And they have different like names and things like that for them. So yeah, if you make some sprinkle medleys because this DIY, easy DIY inspired you, make sure you tag me at yes_ma'am_sweets on Instagram. I'd love to see what it came out to look like. And also make sure you follow me on Instagram. If you like this video, make sure you hit like and make sure you subscribe to me. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Hit it. Hit it now. Right now. Good. No. Stop. Hit the subscribe. Okay. All right. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.